Chaz, you can see I just got it in a mystery box from Superior. See what's in there. Yeah. Yeah, what's that? Anon gene, essential. Some shit I just was like, man, I want a box of designer shit. They sent that shit through. I fuck with them guys though. That's some default shit, but alright. Yeah, alright. What else we got? We got the move. Okay, the valleys in the back though. I really wanted a back box of none but valleys. But them essential joints, them joints cool and shit. Type shit, yeah, them hoes free. But I'm noticing a nigga want to stack. Most of them just want to just stack, but that's cool. There's still some cool jeans. Shit, like, it's a lot of them hoes in these hoes to be real though. Yeah, like, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's some more Valley boys. Yeah. This guy got them hoes on as I'm opening this bitch. Yeah, I fuck with the mystery box though, you know what I'm saying? 10 pairs of jeans. That really like a good ass deal type shit.